In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up client accounts in FreshBooks. To get started, sign into your FreshBooks account. Once you're logged in, you'll be taken to your main dashboard, where you can access the tools you need to manage clients, invoices, and other account details. If you're setting up a client for the first time, this process is quick and straightforward. From the menu on the left-hand side of the screen, click Clients. This will open the area where all of your client profiles are stored. If you already have clients in the system, you'll see them listed here. If not, this page will be ready for you to add your first one. Next, click New Client. This opens the client creation form, where you'll enter the basic information needed to create the account. FreshBooks keeps this layout simple, which makes it easy to fill in the details without missing anything important. Now enter the client's first name and last name, or, if you're working with a business, you can enter a company name instead. This gives you flexibility depending on whether your client is an individual or an organization. Make sure the name is entered clearly, so it's easy to recognize later when sending invoices or reviewing records. After that, enter the client's email address and phone number. These contact details are useful for communication and can help ensure invoices, updates, and reminders reach the right person. As always, double-check for accuracy before moving on, since even a small typo can cause issues later. If needed, you can also include more contact information. Click Add Business Phone, Add Mobile Phone, or Add Address to provide extra details. This part is optional, but it can be very helpful if you want to keep a more complete client profile inside FreshBooks. The more organized your records are, the easier it will be to manage your business over time. On the right-hand side, you'll also see Client Settings. This section is optional, but it's worth reviewing. Here you can configure settings such as sending reminders, charging late fees, choosing currency and language, or allowing invoice attachments. These options help you tailor the account to match the way you work with that specific client, especially if they have unique billing preferences or requirements. Once everything looks correct, click Save. FreshBooks will create the client account and store it in your clients list, ready for future invoices and communication. That's it. You've successfully set up a client account in FreshBooks, and your information is now organized and ready to use.